Hello children, welcome to the math class. Today's topic is division. Division means sharing. You share your things with your friends? Yes. So let us see how sharing is related to division. Now, division means equal sharing or equal grouping. Division is used to find the number in each of the equal groups. Suppose you have 25 mangoes and you want to put equally in 5 boxes. How many mangoes will be there in each box? Yes, 5 mangoes in each box. So the answer is 5. And the division fact is 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 25 is the total number of mangoes. 5 here is the number of boxes and the answer is 5 mangoes in each box. Now another example is there are 3 friends who want to share 15 sweets equally among themselves. How many will each friend get? So here you can see the total number of sweets are 15 and the number of friends are 3. So each friend will get 5 sweets and so 3 groups of 5 sweets each. And the division fact is 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5. Each friend will get 5 sweets each. Now let us see how to divide the given things into equal groups and find the division facts. For example, in the first example, divide equally into 2 groups. So how many stars are there total? Yes, there are total 10 stars and we have to divide them into 2 equal groups. So how many stars will come in each group? Yes, 5 stars will come in each group. So the total number of stars are 10 and the number of groups they are divided are 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to the answer of this division is 5. 5 stars in each group. Now in the next example there are 15 apples. Total 15 apples and we have to divide them equally into 5 groups. So how many apples in each group? Let us see. Yes, there are 3 apples in each group and the answer is 3. So total number of apples 15 that we will write first. Then the number of groups will be divided, that is 15 divided by 5 and the answer is 3. 3 apples in each group. Terms related to division. There are 4 terms related to division. Number which divides the dividend is the divisor. Number which is divided is the dividend. Then the answer of division is the quotient and the leftover number after division is called the remainder. For example, in this following division fact, 25, the total number, is taken as the dividend. 5, the number which is dividing the dividend, is the divisor. And the answer of division is 5, which is the quotient. In the previous topic, you have seen that multiplication is repeated addition. Now here, division is repeated subtraction. So let us see how. We can use repeated subtraction to solve a division problem. For example, 20 divided by 4. We will keep on subtracting the dividend with the divisor till we get 0 or a number less than 4. So let us see how. Now 20 minus 4 is 16, 16 minus 4 is 12, 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is finally now we get 0. So we have subtracted 4 5 times. So the answer of this division is 20 divided by 4 equal to 5 and the remainder here is 0. Now in the next example, 36 divided by 5, we will subtract 5 from 36 till we get again either 0 or a number less than 5. Now we can see that after subtracting 5 from 36 7 times, in the end we are getting 1 which is less than 5. So now we can stop the subtraction and the answer of this division is 36 divided by 5 is equal to 7 because we have subtracted 5 7 times and the remainder here is 1. Division can also be done as repeated subtraction on a number line. Let us see how. In the first example, we have to divide 24 by 3. Now, on the number line, we have to start from 24 and move towards 0. Now, let us see how many jumps this froggy has to make to reach 0. For this, the froggy has to keep in mind that in each step, it has to subtract the number by 3. So let us begin from 24. 24 minus 3 is 21. The next jump is 21 minus 3, 18. Then 18 minus 3, 15. 15 minus 3, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 3, 3 and 3 minus 3, 0. The froggy has reached 0. So how many jumps did it make to reach 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer of this division is 8. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. In the next example, 15 divided by 5. So we have to start from 15 and keep on subtracting by 5 till we reach 0. 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So how many jumps made? 1, 2 and 3. So the answer of this division is 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Property of division. When any number is divided by 1, the quotient of that number is the number itself. For example, 3 divided by 1 is 3, 5 divided by 1 is 5, 145 divided by 1 is 145, 50 divided by 1 is 50, 3415 divided by 1 is equal to 3415. Rule 2. When any number except 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Example, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. 35 divided by 35 equal to 1. 170 divided by 170 is equal to 1. 2015 divided by 2015 is equal to 1. Rule 3. When 0 is divided by any number except 0, the quotient is 0. 0 divided by 12 equal to 0, 0 divided by 100 is equal to 0 and 0 divided by 999 is also 0. Now children, that is all for today. Do the worksheets, practice your work daily. Thank you.